Hello guys, how are you? I hope so you'll be fine and you guys are making really nice profits from my last yesterday's video. I hope so you enjoyed the technical analysis. So first of all, today is a really important day as today we have the ADP employment data and today we have the FOMC like federal interest rate decision as well, and as well we will have like Fed Chair Paul. There will be the press conference of him as well. So we're gonna see huge volatility in the market, huge volatility in the market. So before going to that, we need to understand first of all that what's how market is behaving and what's the right now structure of the market. So if you will look at here more precisely, you guys can see that market was in like slightly it was on an uptrend, and again market was like rejecting on this type of area 3400. This was our first key area. Here market has tried to give us the momentum above upside, and same as well this time as well. Market just little bit goes upside and then again starts falling downside. So right now, first of all, we need to understand some areas where we can look for the possibility that either we are in the uptrend or the downtrend on the smaller time frame charts. So that's the most important thing. Whenever actually there are a lot of people they used to understand they used to understand the things on the basis of the higher time frame charts. Higher time frame charts are good for the trend of the market and for the for the prediction of the market. But the most important thing, if you are looking for the intraday trader, if you're intraday trader, so it will be much more better for you that you need to cross check your analysis along 30-minute and even though 15-minute chart. So right now we need to see first of all that either what's the trend of the market. So if you look at here, this was exactly the really nice support. If I will extend it from here, you guys can see, so this was a long, this was a support basically. So market was again and again market was just coming to these type of areas and was rejecting. You can see here again and again market was pumping from this type of area. So the thing is that if you look at here, market took the support, took the support, took the support, again support, and again this time as well. So this is one of the key area. So we don't need to go far behind. So we need to see the last support of the market from where market has start pumping its movement towards the upside. So right now if you look at here, market from here started giving us like the movement very precisely higher highs and higher lows. So that seems like it seems to me that it's creating the uptrend move. This is the uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. There you can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Now here you can see, if you look at here, market comes to this support area. Market has tried to break this area, and there you can see market has broke this area. So what do you means here? So this is our key area, that will be the change of character. So from here market has shifted its trend from buy towards sell. So you will not, like you can see here, from after this area you should not have to buy. Technically this is what it is telling us. So here you can see market started moving towards downside, and that's the start of the downtrend. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So what it is telling us now, what it is telling us, this is what it is telling us, that right now we are in the downtrend still though. If you are looking for the buying opportunities, if you are looking for the buying trades, you should have to be little bit more precisely, and like you should have there will be something that should have to be in your mind, that anytime we gonna see the price movement like this way, until we got the closing above this area. If we got the closing above this area 3348, until that it's like you should have to, like the more you sell the more you make profits. But if you are making the, if you are doing buys, you need a lot of confirmations. For buy we need a lot of confirmations. Why we did buy from here? Because this was a support area. Why we did buy yesterday's, I have explained to you those parallel channels, and still though I will open it by after that. So right now the main thing is that on the smaller time frame charts, right now gold is in a strong bearish trend. Why? The thing is that until unless if market gonna breaks above 3342 till 3348, if market gonna breaks this area, then I gonna say that we are again back in the uptrend. Otherwise, still though we are in a downtrend. So if you are like this will be these will be the great areas if you are selling. But right now again we are buying here because of some technical other things. There are a lot of confirmations after you need a buy after a lot of confirmations, but you can sell on these type of areas. Now I will gonna tell you that why I did buys. Let me delete all those drawings. So here you can see. So first of all, if you go here on a 15-minute time frame chart, so this is what let me open it on 30-minute as well. This is the same drawing that I have drawn yesterday. I hope so it will not confuse you that what is happening here. So here you can see. Uh, so there we go, guys. If you will look at here on 30-minute time frame charts, so you are seeing here that from here. So basically, technically, if you look at here, technically there are four things: support and resistance, supply demand zone, trend lines, and the market structure and market pattern. So now if you will talk about the support and resistance, the trend of the market, that's still though bearish. What it is telling us, that is bearish. Now this is the concept that you need to understand, and this is really a main concept why we were buying from this area. This is not only that we are on the support side, but as well the reason behind that market was in the downtrend, like higher high, lower lows, lower highs, and this is here you can see. So here on this side market has shifted and market has broke this parallel channel, and after that market starts moving inside this parallel channel. So this is a small parallel channel range. So this as well as telling us that we need the break of at least 336 area. If market gonna breaks 336 area or 335 area, that's the key resistance as well. And now what's the reason of 335 area? This is as well, now we need to see that why 335 area is that much important for us. The reason is that, guys, if you draw here, this was our last lower high and this is the lower low, and if you will draw your Fibonacci retracement levels from this end to this end, you're gonna see that basically if market is below 3328, we are looking for the selling side. So right now you guys can see market is trying its movement towards the upside here. Let me make it more zoom for you guys. Sorry. So here you guys can see 3328. If market is below that, if any 30 minutes candle is giving us closing below that, like that, and the next candle is forming below that, then I'm gonna looking for a selling setup. My targets will be 3301 and the so on, because then again we will be in this channel. So now then this movement gonna start in nearly soon. So if market breaks above 335, and this is what our trend lines, our parallel channel is also supporting us, that if market gonna breaks this area 335 and give us closing above this area, then our first target will be 3348 and the next possible target will be 3390 or 3380, our last charge area. So I hope so you understand, guys. I hope so. I have tried to explain the things very in a simple way. I have ignored all other things, all other market structures, all the things. I have today given you three things. First of all, what is a trend? Where market can shift its trend. The overall the trend of the market will be only shifted if market gonna breaks 3340 to 3348 area. And I have as well told you that if you're looking for the buying setups, you need to like wait for this area. If market gonna breaks above this area, then we will be looking for the buying setups. Right now we are in the buy from this area 2526. Why? The reason is just because of this pivot areas. So I hope so. I was looking that maybe we're gonna see the bullish movement. So today will be the very much volatile day, and I will request you guys that kindly share your support in the comments. And if you have any questions, you guys can text us on the Telegram. And I hope so you will be enjoying our signals as well. Thank you very much. Have a good and great day.